Okay, we have our head is completely finished. So this is done. We've done our hands and our feet. So we don't need these hooks anymore. I put these hooks in here when I hang it up to paint, so it's not sitting that they can hang up and paint good or dry well. So we don't need these anymore. So we're going to attach our hands and our feet to the body we made. Start with this one, and we'll just staple it all the way around. So we got that one on. So we got the hands on there, so now we'll do the feet. One. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Now we have our feet and our hands. So this one's ready. All we got to do now is get him dressed, and then we're ready to take some pictures of him. Last thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of this paste wax here. Periodically you're going to want to do this, paste wax around where the head goes in. If you put some paste wax in this area in here, that just helps it to slide around more, so periodically just rub some paste wax in here. That just helps the head to turn a little more freely. So now we'll just get out some clothes and get him dressed, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.